Third question, ace of spades. Fourth question, a non-ace. And the fifth question, a card greater than a 4. Remember the first event? Picking an ace. There were 4 aces out of the 52 cards. Picking a spade. There were 13 spades out of the 52 cards. The ace of spades. There was the 1 ace of spades out of the 52 cards. We can determine these probabilities. The event of picking a card that's a non-ace. There was 48 non-aces from a deck of 52 cards. The event of picking a card greater than a 4. There's 36 cards greater than 4 out of the 52 cards total. We can determine these probabilities. There are the 4 aces out of 52 cards, which reduces to 1 over 13 as a fraction. If we approximate this answer to the nearest thousandths, the 6 is in the thousandths position. The digit to the right is the 9, which means we add 1 to the 6 for an answer of 0.077. The 13 spades out of 52 cards reduces to 1 over 4 as a fraction. We have seen that this is 0.25 numerically. There is 1 ace of spades out of the 52 cards. If we approximate this answer to the nearest thousandths, the 9 is in the thousandths position. The 2 indicates that we leave 9 alone. We do not add 1 to 9. The answer is 0.019 numerically. The 48 non-aces out of the 52 cards. This reduces to 12 over 13 as a fraction. The 3 is in the thousandths position. If we look at the digit to the right, it's a 0, which means we do not add 1 to the 3. The answer is 0.923. The 36 cards that are greater than 4 out of the 52 cards. This reduces to 9 over 13 as a fraction. Numerically, this 2 is in the thousandths position. If we look to the right of the 2, there's a 3, which means we do not add 1 to the 2. So the answer is 0.692. Picking a marble from a bag of marbles. What's the probability of picking a red marble, a blue marble, and a non-red marble? Recall the bag. There were 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. There were 10 marbles. 2 marbles are red out of the 10 marbles. 1 marble is blue out of the 10 marbles. And 8 marbles are not red out of the 10 marbles. We can determine these probabilities. The 2 red marbles out of the 10 possible marbles reduces to 1/5 as a fraction. Point 0.2 is the numerical value. The 1 blue marble out of the 10 possible marbles. The answer is 0.1 numerically. There are 8 non-red marbles out of 10. This reduces to 4/5 as a fraction. The answer is 0.8 numerically. Recall the Titanic mortality table. This table summarizes the number of passengers who survived and died, and the sexes of the passengers with their age groups. 706 passengers survived, 1,517 passengers died, for a total of 2,223 passengers. There were 1,692 men, 422 women,